Your voice agent can be perfect technically and still make users hang up.
How can I help?
Hi, what times for appointment are available tomorrow? Hello? Here is where the problem lies. Any voice agent will have some tools, some functions, and if a tool is an API call, and this API call takes too much time or is a long-running operation, we can't just sit and wait for the result of the function. Because experience shows that if the pause is longer than 1.5 seconds, the conversation feels broken. So we need to let the agent talk while this long-running operation is in progress. If we are doing a long-running API call, we have to wrap it into a filler function and do this time-consuming operation inside, in the filler. And we can provide an array of phrases and also with what interval and what delays they should be said. And fillers only play during silent pauses, so they don't talk over the user. Talking to the user before and after long-running operation doesn't work. You should let the agent talk during long-running operations.
How can I help?
Hi, what times are available for an appointment tomorrow?
Let me check the calendar. So you'd like Wednesday, August 26th? We've got slots at 8 o'clock, 12:30, and 17 o'clock. Do any of those work for you?
It takes the code execution into the real conversation.